Hey, this is Tim down here. It's February 4th. We're at Foster Springs, and this side's done after last week's video that we did. We're getting everything cleaned up around here. We got pickboard still, but we got to do the fascia there, but the siding's done. They got this one done. We got the yards cleaned up from the other day. The gutters in the front all need to be completed. Downspouts are hanging, but those are going to be taken out of here. And then these pump jacks are for the special vents that we had to order that State Farm didn't have in. Everything's a lot more cleaned up than the other day. We had a good warm day yesterday. This part is got the gutters done. We gotta get this one window in and get ready to tear out that slab. It's warm enough now. These gutters are in, and so just kind of wanted to walk through there. Now we're going to go over to the villa side. On the villa side here, this is the yard siding. This house right here, 1589, is completed with the gutters and the siding. The shutters all are going to be picked out and redone, I think in a charcoal black or dark. And then somebody grabbed these light bulbs. So I'm back walking down the villa side of the street. All these are at the very end, so they haven't been sided yet. But we're going to get down to where we have sided. And what's kind of going on as we go down. Okay, so we've gotten to 1525, and that one has been sided and has been redone. You can look up top and on the side where the windows are. This trash needs to get moved. I believe that they've gotten this one, 21 and 17. Martha's Place, 1501, 1505, and then that one, 1512, and now we need to jump over to where the signs are. So they're going to come over and go boom on that one, over to there, okay, 1524, and then they're going to jump over to the one we have marked here, which is 1532, and do this side one. I think they might have done this one. I don't know why they jumped up here, but it was because we had tore it off to take the siding, to keep a lot of good siding for like different little locations, because State Farm wasn't buying it all. But this has been redone, so this one's done, but they need to come back to these two and take the sticker off and take the sticker over to 1533.